2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS, the big comeback. The legend is back. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS marks a new chapter in American muscle car history. After years of uncertainty and rumors about the Camaro being discontinued, Chevrolet has finally silenced the doubts. The Camaro SS is not only back, but it has been reborn with a bold vision for the future. A legend reimagined for decades, the Camaro SS has been the heart and soul of Chevrolet performance. But with changing markets, stricter emission standards, and the rise of electric vehicles, many thought the Camaro's days were numbered. 2026 changes that narrative. This comeback proves Chevrolet is not ready to give up on pure driving passion. The big change. So what's new? The 2026 Camaro SS takes a daring step forward with a completely redesigned platform. Chevrolet introduces a hybrid-assisted V8 engine, a first for the Camaro. This setup pairs a powerful 6.2-liter small-block V8 with an electric motor to deliver instant torque, improved efficiency, and over 500 horsepower. This isn't just about going green, it's about going faster. The hybrid system allows for lightning-quick launches and better fuel economy without sacrificing the iconic muscle car roar. Styling evolution. The design of the 2026 Camaro SS is modern, yet unmistakably Camaro. The wide stance, aggressive front fascia, and sculpted body lines make it look like it's ready to pounce. Chevrolet has focused on aerodynamics, giving the car active grille shutters, a sleeker roofline, and lightweight materials that improve handling. This Camaro isn't just beautiful, it's functional. Tech-packed interior. Step inside, and you'll find a completely reimagined cabin. The 2026 Camaro SS gets a fully digital cockpit with a customizable 12-inch driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a new performance data recorder. Drivers can switch between different driving modes, from comfort to track, with just a tap. Performance you can feel with the hybrid powertrain. Expect 0 to 60 miles per hour times in the low 3-second range and an even sharper response on the track. The magnetic ride control has been updated for better cornering, and the electronic limited slip differential ensures that all the power makes it to the pavement. This is a Camaro that blends raw muscle with modern precision. Why it matters. The 2026 Camaro SS is more than just a car. It's a statement. Chevrolet is showing the world that muscle cars can evolve without losing their soul. This comeback is a message to enthusiasts everywhere. The Camaro isn't going anywhere. Final thoughts. This is a huge moment for car lovers. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS proves that performance and innovation can coexist. Muscle car fans get to enjoy a roaring V8 with the benefits of electrification. It's a win-win for the future of driving. If you love cars, you can't miss this one. Stay tuned to Wheel World for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into everything automotive.